Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Mini Cooper license plate light. Begin by opening the trunk and locating the light housing above the plate. Remove the fastener carefully. With a flathead, remove the lens cover, then gently pull out the old bulb while avoiding contact with the glass. Insert the replacement bulb, test the light, and reassemble the lens and fastener securely before closing the trunk. To remove the lens cover, park on a level surface and apply the parking brake for safety. Locate the small screw or clip near the housing and use a flathead to loosen it slowly. Pry the lens outward with steady pressure to release clips, keeping a hand behind the lens to catch it. Place the lens and screw on a soft cloth to prevent damage while you access the bulb behind it. After removing the lens, identify the bulb type stamped or listed in your owner manual and get the correct replacement. Grasp the old bulb with a cloth and pull straight out to avoid bending the socket. Place the new bulb into the socket until it seats fully, then activate the lights to confirm operation. If the light works, reattach the lens and fastener, tightening securely and ensuring no gaps or loose clips remain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.